In today's video, I am going to teach you how to work with demo content on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. If you have chosen a Squarespace template that comes with demo pages, you may want to replace the content with your own pages and text. The goal of this process is to make sure the structure stays the same while the page title and layout content match what you want to publish. First, click Pages. This opens the Page Manager, where you can see every page that is currently in your site, including any demo pages that came with the template. Take a moment to scan the list so you know where the demo pages are located. This helps you avoid clicking the wrong item later. Next, scroll to the Not Linked section. This section is usually where demo pages or pages that are not currently connected to your navigation or site flow may appear. Scrolling here matters because it keeps you in the correct area of the interface and helps you find the exact demo page you want to customize. Now, hover over the demo page name and click the gear icon. The gear icon opens the settings for that specific page. When you hover, the gear should appear as a small icon next to the page title or within the page row. Click it once and wait for the settings panel to load. Doing this carefully ensures you are editing the correct page and not another one in your site. After that, clear the text inside the page title box and type your own. The page title controls how the page is labeled within the Squarespace interface and can also affect how the page is identified for search and indexing. When you replace it, make sure the new title clearly describes the page, such as what the page will represent to your visitors. If you are unsure, you can choose a simple working title because you can always refine it later. Next, click Save. You will find Save in the top left of the settings panel. This step is important because it confirms the changes you just made to the page title. If you do not save, your edits may not apply, and you might end up wondering why the old title is still showing. Then click Edit on the main preview window to swap the layout content. This is the step where you move from page settings into the actual page design area. In the preview window, you should see an option that lets you edit what is displayed on the page. Clicking Edit prepares the page so you can replace the demo layout elements with your own content. When you click Edit, the layout should become interactive, allowing you to modify sections, blocks, and content. Finally, swap the layout content. This means you will replace what the demo page is showing with the content that matches your own website. You are not changing the overall design framework unless you choose to. You are updating the layout content so the page looks like it belongs to your brand. Take your time here and focus on making sure the key sections, headings, and text are replaced with your real information. Once you have swapped the layout content, you can review the page preview to confirm everything looks correct. Checking at the end helps catch simple issues like leftover placeholder text or a mismatch between the page title and the content. And that covers the essential workflow for working with demo content on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine, from finding the demo page to updating the title and swapping the layout content. That covers everything you need to know.